Hey guys, in this video, we'll learn how to download CSV file on Novo. If you don't have a Novo account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also share some bonus resources in the description below, to help you grow and manage your business efficiently. Let's dive right in. If you already have an account on Novo, go to the website novo.co. Once you're on the website, you will see an option that says Login. Click on Login. Then, on the fields provided, enter your email and password. Once the email and password is entered, click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side of the screen. Click on the option that says Activity. At the bottom part of the screen, you will see a section for transactions. On its right side is a Download to CSV button. Click on Download to CSV. That's how you download a CSV file on Novo. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.